Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Rob Pesh. This is the Media, or RPM. I picked up a 2004 RSX Type S that I took in with an old turbo kit. It's been driven through 2 Chicago winters. It's got a little rusty on it, so some of the parts need refreshing. I'll be notating some of the super old parts that came on this car. A lot of stuff that we will be taking off. Throughout this next video in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be doing a full turbo rebuild on it. All new parts, refreshing this car, cleaning it up, getting a nice new tune on it. Super excited. And if you know any tips or tricks along the way, please comment below. So I'll be pointing out like the intercooler piping, the front mount, what kind of turbo it was, the exhaust, and how we're taking all this stuff off. I had one of these cars before. They were awesome. Never got a chance to turbo it. 10 years later, I'm finally getting one, and I'm redoing the turbo on it. We're gonna learn how to tune this car as well. I'm so stoked to see what happens to it when it's finally finished. It's gonna be freaking awesome. All right, enough talk. We'll figure it out along the way. Let's start the process. Let's get it going. Super excited. Thank you so much. Got 38,000 miles, very clean car, but the parts have just sat for so long. So the plan is to take off all the old parts, exhaust, hot side parts, intercooler, and just redo the whole turbo kit. You can see the car came with quite an amount of strut tower rust. Just gonna work on taking off the parts, and then this will be a whole other project in itself later on. found out we have to cut through the exhaust. It looks like hell. Bolts on the exhaust are just rusted out, which I already knew about, so we have to cut through that pipe. I already tried using the Dremel, not strong enough, so we'll go ahead and use the Sawzall. And more montaging. Alright, got both sensors out. Really excited we were able to cut off the exhaust. Never done that before, so it worked pretty good. So we'll pick up back tomorrow. We still got to remove the intercooler. We still got to remove all the intercooler piping, intake, try and get the turbo off tomorrow with the down pipe, and making progress. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.